So, okay, I'm not halfway there. I'm maybe 1/10 of the way there. But 1/10 is better than nothing. You're saying, what is the hope? The hope is that I'm doing something, and I try to do more. And just that kind of repentance, and that kind of sorrow, or sadness, oh, Krishna, I wish I could do more, but I can't. I need so much rest, and I have so many family responsibilities and so many sevas and chores to do for simple maintenance, and cleaning and cooking and shopping and washing and ironing, many things, and going to work and doing homework and after work and seminars. So I don't have much time. But Krishna, that's why we always say, Baba Grahi Janardhan. Krishna's, he's examining not numbers, but he's examining the mood, the bhav, the devotion. Where is your real love and where is your real attachment? Are you just saying, I love you, Krishna, I want to be with you, Krishna, and it's only lip service and not really heartily meant? So Krishna's testing. So it's clear, he says, I carry what they lack and preserve what they have. So generally, what we find and what we have seen in our 43 years of the practicing Krishna Bhakti Bhajan, we see that devotees of all different levels of devotees, single, married, etc., they, in their own way, Krishna's preserving what they have and carrying what they lack. He's making arrangements for them. And each devotee, each serious and surrendered devotee, he can understand personally, individually, oh, Krishna's helping me. Krishna, all my friends and all my schoolmates, they applied for this job. And we all had equal level of qualification. But somehow I got it. Or why I got it? Because Krishna wanted you to get it. Krishna rewarded you. Yoga Shemvam Vahamyam. Vaham, I carry. So Krishna promises to help his devotees. So that's our hope. Whatever we're doing, we see results. We see that Krishna, we're extending ourselves to Krishna. We're trying to remember Krishna and speak about Krishna and serve Krishna. So he's not blind. Krishna is not blind. He's not deaf. Sarvato paniparam tat sarvato shishiromakam. Sarvato shrutima loke. Sarvam avartitishtati. Krishna is situated everywhere. He sees everything, hears everything. And he can hear everything you're saying and see everything you're doing. And he knows everything you're feeling. He's the Shakshi, he's the Parashakshi, he's the Upadrashta. He's right within our hearts. So, oh, my devotee needs this, okay, take this. Oh, my devotee needs that, take this. Oh, my devotee has this quality, okay, I'll preserve it. Oh, my devotee, he's a teacher. He's a teacher. He's helping others. So I'll preserve his memory. I'll preserve his mind so that he can continue to teach. Whereas we see devotees of Krishna that are 100 years old plus, yet their memory is perfect, and they're able to speak,